Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a closer look at the Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer and answering a simple question. Is it actually worth the investment for keeping your food fresh? So if you want to check out this product, you can find its link in the description box below. So the Chef Preserve Vacuum Sealer is a compact wireless rechargeable food sealing device which is designed for convenience. It actually comes with 30 reusable BPA free bags that are dishwasher safe, freezer safe, refrigerator safe and microwave safe. Right away, this product stands out because it removes the need of the bulky countertop vacuum sealers and large plastic rolls. It seals a bag in about 5 seconds and automatically shuts off once the vacuum process is completed. According to the brand, it can also handle up to 1000 seals in a single charge, which is impressive if you regularly store the leftovers, the meal preparation, or bulk buy groceries. So, if I talk about the real world performance, so its setup is very simple. Just insert the valve section of the reusable bag, press the button, and it starts vacuuming. In testing with the meats, fish, fruits, and the vegetables, the sealing was effective. Food stayed fresher longer and there were no noticeable leak or odor issues. The reusable bags are a big advantage. They feel sturdy and durable, and in fact, they are reusable. That makes this system more eco friendly as compared to the traditional disposable plastic rolls. So, in terms of value, this vacuum sealer makes sense for the people who regularly store the food. So if you want a compact, rechargeable, eco-friendly food storage solution that's easy to use and doesn't take up the kitchen space, then this at the price point of $79.99 is a strong option. So again, if you want to check its availability and the pricing, you can find the link of it in the description box below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.